Fifth grade Science Chapter 10 States of Matter. New words. Attraction, a force that pulls two things towards each other. Vapor, gaseous form of any substance. Dissolve, to mix something completely in a liquid. Marine life, plants and animals living in the ocean. Molecules, very tiny particles of which things are made of. Matter, what is matter? Let us do a simple activity to understand matter. Get into two groups, Group A and Group B. Look around and prepare a list of things you see around you. Group A. Prepare a list of things that you can hear, feel or see but cannot touch or hold. Example: fragrance, shadow and sunlight. These are the things which do not occupy any space and have no mass. Group B. Prepare a list of items that you can touch with your hand. Example: book, pencil, a glass of water. These are things which can be picked up and moved from one place to another. In other words, they occupy some space and have mass. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Everything on the earth is matter. A bag, a book, water and air all are matter as they have mass and occupy space. States of matter. All matter around us exists in the form of solid, liquid or gas. These are known as the three states of matter. Matter can also change its state from one form to another. Let us take the example of water. What happens to ice when we keep it in a warm place for some time? It changes into water. What happens to water if we boil it? It changes into steam or water vapor. What happens to water if we keep it in the freezer or the refrigerator? It changes into ice. So, we can see that the state of water changes from one form to another. Water on the earth is mostly found in the liquid state. Ice and snow are the solid states of water, and steam or water vapor is the gaseous state of water. Water is the only substance which is present on the earth in all the three states of matter. Molecules. All matter, solid, liquid or gas, is made up of tiny particles. These tiny particles are called molecules. These molecules are so small that we cannot even see them with the naked eye. Do you know, each grain of sugar or each drop of water contains millions of molecules. The molecules of different substances are different from each other. For example, the molecules of water will be different from the molecules of oxygen gas or nitrogen gas. But the molecules of water will be same in all the three states. That is ice, water or water vapor. However, the arrangements of molecules will be different in the three states of matter. Let us understand how the molecules are arranged in solid. liquid and gaseous states of matter. Activity. Material required 25 to 30 stringing beads and 3 plates. Method. Get into groups of 3. Take 25 to 30 stringing beads from your math kit. They are matter, yes, because each bead has mass and occupies space. Now imagine these beads to be the molecules of a substance. Arrange them in 3 plates as shown below. In plate A, keep the beads close together. You can also use a string to make a tight bunch of beads. In plate B, keep the beads in a chain as if in a string. In plate C, let the beads get scattered and be far apart from each other. In solids, the molecules are tightly packed as in case of plate A. In liquids, they are loosely packed as in case of plate B. In gases, the molecules are far apart as in case of plate C. Properties of matter in solid, liquid and gaseous states. Let us learn about the properties of solid, liquid and gaseous state of matter. Solids. Activity. Material required. An eraser, a book and a pencil box. Method. Put the eraser on your book. Now observe the following. Did the shape of the eraser change? Yes or no? What do we learn? Solids have a fixed shape. They occupy the same amount of space and have same space wherever you place them. Why does this happen? This is because there is a strong force of attraction acting between the molecules of a solid. So the molecules are very closely packed and cannot move freely. They can only vibrate at their own positions. Therefore, solids have a fixed shape. Liquids. Material required 2 glasses of different shapes, a bowl and a plate. Method. Pour some water into the 2 glasses. Next into the bowl and then into the plate. Observe the shape of water each time. Did the shape of water change? What do we learn? Water takes the shape of the container into which it is poured. It does not have a fixed shape of its own. Why does this happen? This happens because the force of attraction among the molecules of a liquid is not very strong. So the molecules are loosely packed and can move about a bit though not freely. A bit though not freely. That is why liquids can flow and take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Gases. Activity. Take a bottle of perfume and spray some in one corner of the classroom. Now observe the following. Did you smell the perfume? Did everyone in the class also smell the perfume? Has the smell of the perfume spread in the whole classroom? Liquid perfume changes to vapor form when it is released into air. What do we observe? When the perfume is in liquid state, it takes the shape of the bottle. However, when it changes to gaseous form, the molecules mix with the molecules of the air and spread in all directions. What do we learn? Gases do not have a fixed shape. They move about freely to occupy all the available space. Why does this happen? This is because the force of attraction